Hi, sweeties. I'm just back from vacation, a cruise around the Hawaiian Islands on Norwegian Cruise Line's Pride of America. Let's take a room tour. We're here aboard the Pride of America, departing from Honolulu. Aloha! That's a nice big bed. A little sofa right there. And how do you open this thing? Oh, this way. It's bright. Our balcony. It's a beautiful day. How do we open this thing? Oh, it's already open. Look at that. Ooh, it's hot, but it sure is beautiful. Here's a look into the bathroom so you can see. We gotta step up. The shower. Let's see how much space there is. Not bad. And then the mirror. Take a look underneath. And then across from there, we've got this closet. Oh, you already got a couple things hung up in there. It's a pretty nice sized closet for a cruise ship. Of course, got your life jackets up there, shelf space. Nice. Little coffee station. Another mirror. And this was day 1 of our 7-day Hawaii cruise on Norwegian Cruise Line. This was the Pride of America. It started off in Honolulu and then had stops in Maui, Hilo, Kona, Kauai, and then a cruise up the Nepali coast. It was so beautiful, and then returned to Honolulu. Come back for more of this trip. Next up is Maui. So please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and have a delicious day.